when you want to be an innovator, what does it entail? You need to understand this, the complexity of it. So when you try and bring up your innovative idea, it's going to be in line with the necessary features. When we talk about innovator, what do we mean by innovator? You create a new idea, an idea that is outstanding. Some I've discussed this with a lot of guys recently, and some of them, they feel that they can meet up to it, but some think, I don't go in line of tech, I can just create an idea, create a business. But I'm going to tell you something. If you look at the criteria, the UK government criteria of creating an innovative business, one of them that will make them accept it easily is if it has a tech base. And why is this necessary? Think about years back, we had year 2000 then, we had what we call Y2K compliance of systems and stuff. We've seen some revolution recently. Then now, before now, we had the data revolution, big data revolution. What are we facing now? We're facing AI now. Data gave birth to AI because the amount of data you have will determine how AI is going to drive. That is where we are. So imagine you're running a business and your business is like kind of crude, is limited to maybe someone comes to you face to face, you don't have a tech base. It's not scalable. It's not scalable, I mean, will it meet test of times? Because give it like 5 years, things are going to change. Everything is changing now. I did my certification in SPC, which is Safe Practice Consultant. Now I've done an advanced one of it. Now I've done an updated one again. The updated one has to do with AI. Think of that's what industry car uses. And this is one thing you guys need to understand. When you look at the automotive business in UK, which was one of the case studies in which we studied, one of the points there is that everybody is trying to see things are moving this direction. So why don't you go with them? Tesla on its own does their sprint every 3 hours or so. So imagine how much features they're going to be implementing every week. Then you are going on the crude way. So that's why our implementation, what we are trying to help you to do, we're introducing tech into it. I'll give you a good example. You have an idea in the home care industry, care home industry, and you are able to think about something like, okay, we have dementia patients in the home care. So why don't I try to do something that they can have maybe a band on their hand, and it can connect them maybe when they want to fall. It can learn through AI, understand, okay, what can trigger the fall. So when they start coming, it can work with their system, understand what's going to trigger them to fall. So when it's getting to that stage, it can beep. So the nurses can hear what's going to happen. It's just a creative idea. I'm just bringing this up now, but it doesn't mean it must be this. If it's your field of study, you can create something. There are so many ideas there. So now I come to what I want us to look at now is, how does this really help you? This idea we're creating, all these things I'm talking about, how does it help you? How it's going to help you is, we're going to help you create your unique idea. The idea is that you have it. We have an app in which we've created. This app is going to help you through these processes of creating your ideas, creating your business plan, making sure that everything works the way it should work. It's not a magic. Based on my certifications as a Safe Practice Consultant, which means I can help your enterprise structure it properly to meet this demand, to create your unique idea. We've imputed there. We have a lot of tools in it. Generate your ideas. It's going to analyze it for you to, okay, if you are trying to start up a business, you're going to check if your idea is innovative, if it's creative. If you want to use it for innovative UK visa or something, it's also going to analyze it, check if your idea is creative, if it meets the standard they require. Then you can build your business plan there. Your financials are there. Then we have an important tool again that is there too, which is your empathy map. I've spoken a lot about empathy map, but this time around, I've implemented it. It's in practice. You can use the tool. What will empathy map help you? When we synchronize all these two together, empathy map is going to help you do is, it's going to help you understand the problem you're trying to solve. And the app does it automatically. You just impute the question. What is the customer saying about this? What are they doing about this? What are they feeling about this? What are they thinking about this? Once you have all those imputed, It gives you the pains and gains, and that's it. You get your answer. What problem are you solving? Then aside from that, we have what we call a transformation canvas. This you're going to have because your business is transforming. Every business these days is transforming. So you need to have the canvas there. We're going to help you with all the tools are there on the app. So I know a lot of people are talking about this innovative visa from their standpoint. And you know what? A lot of guys are very brilliant. And I'm going to advise you guys, if you want to have more information about this, so you understand what you're doing, go to the website for those that are applying for the UK Innovative Visa, Founder Visa, Innovator Founder Visa. Go to the website, look at the criteria, look at what they need. That's all you need. But understand one point, we're here to assist you. If you don't know how to go about your idea, we're going to help you achieve that. We got you covered.